Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Guarantee Your Shower Remodel Will Never Leak. Today we're wading through the waters of shower remodeling, or rather ensuring those waters remain exactly where they belong, within the confines of your beautiful new shower. After all, the only thing a shower should do is wash away stress, not cause it with unexpected leaks. First off, let's address the unsung hero of a leak-free shower, waterproofing. The process should be more thorough than your grandma checking if you've eaten enough at Sunday dinner. Start with a waterproof membrane system, the base layer that hugs your shower tighter than skinny jeans after Thanksgiving dinner. It acts as a fortress guarding against moisture's relentless quest for freedom. And speaking of freedom, the gradient on your shower floor should direct water flow toward the drain, not an arbitrary corner resembling a shallow lake. It's like traffic management for droplets. Every droplet needs a clear path home. Ensure this slope is professionally crafted to channel water as smoothly as a swan gliding across a pond. Let's talk grout and tiles. These are what you see, but beneath them lies your waterproofing layer, and here's the trick. Grout is not waterproof, folks. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Protect those joints and edges with a high-quality silicone sealant to ensure longevity. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choose your contractor as wisely as you choose your life partner. They should have a solid track record with shower installations. Don't be shy to ask past clients if their showers still resemble a waterproof haven or if they've started channeling the spirit of Niagara. And how about those professional inspections? Regular post-installation checkups might sound tedious, but they're worth it. Even if everything looks dandy after a few years, consistent inspections can catch minor flaws before they blossom into major leaks. Finally, choose durable tiles that work synonymously with the shower environment. The tougher the tile, the better it battles the incursion of water molecules hell-bent on liberation. By sealing the deal on these protective strategies, you're setting your shower up not only for excellence in function and form, but also for an enduring legacy. A shower designed and executed with expertise is one you can enjoy without those dreaded footsteps of a problem in the wings. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.